is a step-by-step guide to making mini tutorials for other practitioners. The goal is to make short, easy-to-follow tutorials to share with other practitioners that help them solve the very same problems that you had using strategies that you know have worked. What you need to do in advance is identify what problem were you trying to solve, what strategies did you use to overcome this, what were some of the steps you took, what was the outcome. Think of a catchy title for your tutorial, something that'll hook the audience. Using a question that addresses the need that you are trying to meet is helpful. Add a brief description of the objective of the tutorial. You may want to share one or more strategies that you have used to address the challenge. Describe each strategy separately and give each a separate title. Break it up into a storyboard so that the strategy follows all the steps that you took. What was the problem, the strategy you used, and the outcome. Add relevant photographs or videos. At the end, add a simple assessment to check for understanding. You can use multiple choice, true or false, gap fill, etc. Provide the answer key as well. And to end, add any additional resources that might be helpful. Go over the content to check for typos, spelling errors, etc. And off you go. That's it. Easy as pie.